Let's make a logo for less than 2 minutes. We will use Canva, one of the most popular picture, presentation, and editing platform today. We can use pre-made templates available, or we can start from the scratch.
If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
We can change the font style, elements, and color. I'm doing this in my Android phone. I just downloaded the Canva app.
I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation,
We can download this in different format. This is our finished product. Subscribe for more.